Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be installing the HKS Hi Power axle back muffler and the Super Air Filter on our 2003 IS300. First, jack up the car and secure it on jack stands. Spray some PB Blaster or WD-40 on the two 14mm spring bolts and all four exhaust hangers, and then remove the stock muffler. Now let's unbox the new muffler. The quality is top-notch. The piping is mild steel and the muffler and tip are polished stainless. Here it is compared to the stock muffler. To install, start by attaching it to the hangers. You'll reuse the stock donut gasket and the 14mm spring bolts. Use a wobble socket and extension to make it easier to torque the bolts down. The polished tip looks really cool with the embossed HKS logo. As you would expect from HKS, the fitment is perfect. The tone is deep and aggressive, but not much louder than stock. This is a perfect daily driver exhaust. We also put in a HKS Super Air Filter. I'm sure it won't do much performance-wise, but the HKS sticker on the airbox is good for at least 5 horsepower. Thanks for watching!